affirmation to manifest anything that you want instantly by communicating with the universe in a powerful way. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and this will blow your mind, change your life, and open up your eyes to see the real possibilities for your life. Dear universe, I will have everything abundant in this world. Your favor blesses me with constant miracles. Dear universe, I will have everything abundant in this world. Your favor blesses me with constant miracles. See, what happens when most people hear that is they say, well, I mean, that seems like a big ask. It's like we're in this place where we just kind of sit around and hope that God and the universe throws us breadcrumbs. No, you have to claim what you want. You have to command from the universe and bend the universe. The universe is like water. It wants to get out of your way, but first you have to command and bend the universe. So use this affirmation, use this prayer today, and see what happens. Comment this down below. Comment this down below. Dear universe, dear universe, I receive all of the abundance of this world. Your favor blesses me with constant miracles. Dear universe, I receive all the abundance of this world. Dear universe, I receive all the abundance of this world. Your favor blesses me with constant miracles. Claim your true power. Most people spend their whole lives afraid to say, this is what I want. This is what I deserve. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. I deserve abundance. I expect miracles. People are afraid to do that. They're afraid to say, I deserve a big life. I deserve good things. And by all means, the fact that I've incarnated here in this body, I am going to live my life fully. I expect to have all the abundance of this world, and your favor, the universal favor, blesses me with constant miracles. So comment it down below, write it on a piece of paper, and say this. But more importantly than saying it, feel it. Feel yourself connecting to the universe right now. Feel yourself communicating with the universe right now. And say, dear universe, I will have everything abundant in this world. Your favor blesses me with constant miracles. Feel that. Feel yourself connecting with the universe and giving appreciation for the fact that you share in the abundance of this world fully, and that you expect miracles. You expect them every single day because the universe is on your side and the universe is conspiring for your highest and your best good. And so you're constantly blessed with miracles. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. Have an absolutely beautiful day. Be sure you download my free success hypnosis, JakesHypnosis.com. Do not let anything that happens today distract you from the fact that you expect miracles. Oh, you got a new unexpected bill. Oh, that person cut you up. Oh, the weather's bad today. No. Today, forget yesterday, forget this morning, forget last night, forget any moment other than right now. And in this moment, turn the light switch on in your mind where you expect miracles. Turn the light switch on where you expect abundance and you notice the abundance all around you. Give your appreciation that the universe hears you. Download my free success hypnosis, JakesHypnosis.com. Use that to train your subconscious mind for abundance. Hit the subscribe button right over there in the corner. There's a bell notification right over there. Make sure you hit the bell notification because that's what actually notifies you for new videos. Even if you've already subscribed, make sure you hit that. Like this video to support this channel. Have a beautiful day, and remember, hashtag I'm realistic, I expect miracles. Comment that out below and expect something beautiful today.